The first step for making your own spark plug wires is to get a spark wire kit for your tractor or vehicle. Just make sure the kit you get will fit your distributor cap. You will need a pair of cutters and pliers. Now that I have all my parts set aside, we can look at the old wires that we are going to measure from. Make sure that you write down where each of the wires went before you remove them for measuring, so you don't have to find a wiring diagram later. Here is the wire from the coil to the distributor cap and one of the plug wires. There was a wire holder for the spark plug wires that I had to remove to measure and install the new wires through. Not all jobs would have this type of holder. These wires are from an old Ford 8N tractor that I am fixing up. Remove the plug covers from the wires to remove them from the holder. Measure out the first wire to work on. I chose the longest to work on first. Looks like I don't have to cut this one to length. Now, using one of the small copper heads from the kit, bend the wings outward to make it easier to push the little spike into the copper core of the wire. Once the head is pushed on the wire, crimp the wings down onto the wire to hold it into place. You don't have to make it look nice here. It will be bent into place when you insert it in the distributor cap. You can now slide the connector cover over it. I'm installing the heads and covers after I slip the wire through the holder because I find it easier. Now continue measuring and cutting the wires to length and attach the heads for all the plug wires. There are 4 for my engine. The wire from the coil to the distributor cap has 2 plug ends to it. So you will need to cut it to length, then attach 2 plug ends. There. We are now done with the new wires. All that is left to do is install the new wires into your tractor. Thank you for watching, and please like the video.